morning to you guys. I'm headed for work. Well, I might be running late, I'm not too sure, but we gotta hit it. Woo! Relax, relax. The perks of having a bike is that you can cut traffic. What we're about to do right now. Yes, right here, just like that. Beautiful. Shoo, I'm so fucking tired, bro. I'm not gonna lie. We're not gonna run any lights. We're not gonna do any of that. Nothing legal. Just, you know, try to make it to work on time. It's like 2:17. I gotta be there at 3 o'clock. So, and it's Saturday. It's gonna be busy by the beach. So we gotta make it. We gotta freaking make it. Can't be late. There's an event going on today.
Baby, this year's my year. I'm not here to play it fair.
I'm getting the hang of riding this bike, y'all. This bike is pretty nice. Oh man, I'm gonna do some stuff to it, man. Grips, you know, levers, a lot of stuff to it. We're gonna fix it up. But for what it is right now, it's a solid bike, bro. Good platform. 99 ZX6R, carbureted. Shit runs so fucking good, bro. I'm ready. I'm freaking ready. Let's go. Sleep right now, y'all. 1 hour sleep. I woke up this morning at like fucking, what time? Like 3:30 a.m. to get to work. But I barely slept the night before because I got off work at fucking 12. So working a lot. Nice. Is it rain on propane or something? Shit. Pants are so fucking short. Police right there. Gotta relax. Perks about having a motorcycle is that you could just cut traffic, bro. It's so dangerous riding this motorcycle. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. You don't know how to freaking drive. I be treating everybody like they're a freaking threat, bro. That's how I'm still surviving on this shit. But I try to stay away from traffic and everything like that, bro. This shit is crazy. Look at that accident right there. Boom. But it's 2:32, and I think we're about like maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes away from work. So let's see if we make it almost late to work. Let's hopefully we're not, because it's an event today. It can't be late. Can't be late, y'all. It's like the fourth time I was late already, so I can't be late again. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna buy the stuff for this thing like probably next week, and guess what? We're gonna start getting some work on this stuff done, bro. And do videos like igniter sparkler wires, igniters, fuel pump, fuel filter, throttle cable, and throttle. I'm gonna get a domino throttle, new grips. I'm gonna change the clutch cable and everything. Yeah, bro, this bike's gonna be freaking top notch. I can't wait, bro. I cannot wait. I'm ready. I am ready. Got the scooter, got the girl on the back of the scooter. Oh, it's two girls. Oh shit, it's two girls. Shit. This bike is it's really a head turner for real, bro. Damn, bro, this bike is so good. Oh shit. I like natural women. Women that like go to the gym and like work out their bodies naturally, you know, to get what they want naturally. That's how you gotta do it, bro. Can't get fake shit, bro. You gotta get rid. You gotta put in the work. You gotta put in the work for it, bro. What time is it? It's 2:40. About like 10 minutes from work. Ooh, yeesh. I'll be the first person to be late at work on a motorcycle, right? Shit. I'm like right next to a couple girls with scooters. They're cute. Jeez. Yeah. I'm trying to play it cool. I'm trying to play it cool. freaking, I'm not gonna lie, bro, I was a little nervous, those two girls on that fucking scooter, bro. I never met a girl, well, I'm not gonna lie, because I do know a girl that has a motorcycle. I already went on a ride with her. So I'm talking about like a random girl I don't even know, you know? I'm telling y'all go to the gym, build a physique, and just be yourself, and bro, the women, I'm telling you, bro, it's so easy, man. I got this girl's number at the freaking, at Power Smoothie, bro, like literally. Like it was just so freaking natural. I was just myself, she was herself, bro. And I know she was feeling me, man. I got the Ford behind us. I think we're gonna make it to work today, bro. Yo, it's like nobody here. It's like nobody here, bro. What? No way, bro. No way. It's Saturday, bro. Look, there's not even a cloud in sight, bro. No way. Let's got it. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Spring break working at Margaritaville, bro. It's perfect, bro. It's perfect, bro. All the fucking snow bunnies. Woo! I'm gonna let these cars go, bro. I'm not ever gonna push it, bro. I'm gonna go after that. I might go after that white Camry. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't speed here, bro. Not on fucking 818. That's crazy, bro. Even though I know the cops that work here, bro, because they come to my job, I don't fucking do that shit, bro. Hell nah, bro. People, motherfuckers be pulling out like nothing, bro. Like crazy, though. I'm like, yo, what? You don't know how to freaking drive here, bro. But I say you gotta watch out for people, man. Keep your eyes out, open. Remember, everyone is a threat on this road, bro. Everyone is a threat, bro. Everyone. 2:45, man. I made it to work, bro. My job was really right there. That fucking white building right there, bro. I only have one rear passenger peg, so I can't take anybody on this bike. But when I get the other passenger peg, I'll be doing videos like that. I try to pick up some girls on the freaking bike. We'll see. God, man. You're just an amateur. Ooh, there's a cute girl here in a Volkswagen. Damn. She's okay. We're gonna partner with Rolls Royce. Okay, let's do it. Cadillac. Fuck yeah, bro. Let's get it. We're here at work. My girl Tiny right there. It's too loud. She really wanted me to rev it. It's too damn loud for that girl. Alright, y'all. This video, we made it. Peace.